In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a test mail on Mailchimp in 2025. Testing your emails is a crucial step in ensuring that your campaigns look exactly how you want them to before reaching your audience. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step, so you can confidently check your email campaigns before launching them for real. First things first, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. If you haven't already done so, head over to mailchimp.com and enter your login details. After you've successfully logged in, the next thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Campaigns tab, and from there click on All Campaigns. This will give you an overview of all the campaigns you've created. It's a great space to manage and organize your ongoing and past campaign efforts. Now, once you're in the All Campaigns section, identify the specific email campaign that you're working on. So scroll through your list until you find the one you need. Pay attention to the right side of your screen. That's where you'll find the edit option for your campaign. Go ahead and click on edit. This action brings you into the email designer, which is the central hub from which you can craft and refine your campaign emails. It's got all the tools you need to make your emails stand out and convey your message effectively. While in the email designer, we're aiming to send ourselves a test email. There are two ways to do this. You can either click directly on Send Test, which might be more visibly accessible, or alternatively, you might see an option labeled Send a Test Email when going through the checklist. Either option you choose is completely fine. Both will achieve the same end goal, which is to prompt the test email form. When this form appears, you'll need to input the email addresses where you want to send your test email. This is pretty straightforward. If you're sending it to more than one address, just separate each email with a comma. That way you can have team members or perhaps another set of eyes look over the email and catch any potential issues or design discrepancies that might have been overlooked. Finally, once you're satisfied with the list of recipients, hit that Send Test button. Congratulations, you've now dispatched a test email. Allow a few moments for the emails to arrive in the respective inboxes, and then check them thoroughly. Look for any formatting issues, broken links, or content errors. Testing in this manner ensures that your campaign is the best it can be when it ultimately reaches your entire audience. And there you have it, just a few simple steps to send a test email using Mailchimp in 2025. Thanks for following along, and happy emailing.